check out today. I met Waldemar and he has this 6 meter 10 ton tiny truck, or
Yes.
tiny heavy truck. So what is the idea behind it? Like you bought an actually long box and then you cut it.
This is a truck without a box. In Germany is a Sattelzug, so you can put a trailer on it.
Right, like
And
usually 18, 19 meters
Yeah,
long
we
trailer.
removed this and bought a box.
Yeah,
It's very short, you cannot buy a box like this, so we
Right.
shorten it
yeah.
and put the doors again on the
Okay.
box, and then
So you trim it here in the back.
yes, we cut it
Yeah,
here
yeah.
and put the original doors on again.
Right.
We built a frame to hold
Subframe.
it. Yeah, subframe.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then put everything together.
And what was the idea? Like how you came up with the idea to do that?
My dad wanted to drive a truck because it's very comfortable for
Yeah.
long rides,
But you wanted to keep it short.
but to keep it short, yeah. So you can park almost in every car.
Yeah. So in total
parking
it's
spot.
6 and with bicycle 6.5.
Yeah.
Okay,
Without
so
bicycles,
it's length of my car.
yeah, it's just the length of a bigger car.
And then in the front you have as well sleeping unit.
Yeah. The front
It's
is
like a double bed.
yeah. The front is the original, two
Yeah.
beds,
Yeah.
one on the top, one in the middle,
Yeah.
2 seats for passengers,
Right.
and it's 450 horsepower and about 2000 Newton meters.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
10 tons are easy for this.
And it's still in 90 limited, or you open it like kilometers per hour? How fast you can drive?
We can drive 100, but in Germany just 80 is legal.
But it's registered as a camper. or-
Yeah,
And
camper.
it's still not only 80 you can drive.
Camper with until 7.5 is 100,
Okay.
and above
Okay.
7.5 is
Yeah.
80.
Okay. And it has, I guess, like 1 million kilometers or something?
No, this is just 100,000.
Really?
Yeah. It was a truck.
Brand new?
It was a truck from the airport in Frankfurt,
Yeah.
and just drove around Frankfurt area.
Okay.
Carry from one warehouse to another warehouse.
Yeah.
So it had just 100,000 kilometers.
Okay.
The seat was a little bit, and the door was a little bit
Damaged.
damaged.
From
Yeah.
jumping in and out all
Yeah.
the time.
We repaired this stuff, and yeah.
Okay.
Now it got about 130.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, but it's basically like new.
Yeah. For
It's
the
just broken in.
yeah, they are built for 1.5 million.
Yeah. At
The
least.
engine,
Yeah.
and now with this light setup,
Yeah.
it will last forever.
Nice. But I think the consumption is not that big as well when you drive. It's around 20 liters.
Under 20 liters, yeah.
Yeah.
About 18 most of the
Yeah.
times.
Nice.
Yeah. So for this big, it's a very low
Oh yeah.
consumption.
Oh yeah. It's the same as mine.
Yeah.
And I have 3.5 ton.
Yeah.
And it was not insulated box. You did insulation yourself, no?
Yes. It's like wood and glass phaser.
Yeah.
How do you call it? And yeah, insulated.
Right. Yeah. The plywood.
Yeah.
Waterproof.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the bed is here.
Right. And yeah, I
On
guess
top.
the weight was not issue because you
No.
used very heavy
Yeah,
plywood.
we used everything very heavy, so
Yeah.
it's solid
Yeah.
because weight limit is, yeah.
Do you know what was the weight of the box?
The box, no. Or I think without the box, without everything, it was about 6.5 tons,
Okay.
and then we now add
Around 10.
9.5, 10.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, and the truck is legal for 18 tons.
Right.
Yeah, and we lowered 18 tons to 11.9,
Yeah.
so we don't have to pay
Tax.
as much tax. Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Right. This transfers into bed or just a table?
Just a table.
Okay.
Yeah. But we
Some
can move it
storage.
a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Air fryer, important.
Yeah. Yeah. This is a normal IKEA kitchen.
Okay.
Yeah. Just with other hinges.
Yeah. So easy. Order,
Yeah.
put it in, done.
Yeah. So we
And you have like a storages here below.
Yeah. Yeah, 3 Euro boxes.
Okay.
Yeah, we can also, if we open the doors on the back, we can load it from the outside. The heating is here underneath. Here's storage.
Yeah.
Here's the technical stuff.
Oh yeah. So you're completely off the grid.
Yeah.
So you have 3 kilowatt inverter and how many solar panels do you have on the roof?
I think 3 solar panels, about 800 watts
In total?
total.
Yeah.
Lithium batteries, 300
Yeah.
amperes. Yeah, and it's a 24-volt system.
Well, the driving, you're charging as well, no?
Yeah, it's
You have
also
DC-DC.
yeah, and
Yeah,
also
that one. Yeah. You built it everything like with your family.
yes,
Yeah.
everything built by ourselves.
Cool. And that is the bathroom.
Yeah,
Nice and spacious.
the toilet is underneath here.
Okay. Slide it out. Yeah. Perfect.
Yeah.
It's not on the way. And these are tiles or?
No, this is plastic tiles.
Yeah.
This is stone.
Yeah. Okay. Stone shower tray.
Yeah.
Nice. Looks like it's 80 by 1 meter, something like that. No?
I don't know exactly.
I mean, big enough.
Yeah, yeah.
Like in a proper apartment.
Yeah.
Cool. And that is like walk through to the front
Yeah.
with a garage door.
Yeah, we closed it for insulation.
Yeah. So basically, it's just this, and then you have a rubber you can walk through,
Yeah.
and then you have extra bed. Do you sleep there too?
Yeah, sometimes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Or
then you have
the bed is on top, so
Yeah.
if somebody is cooking and you want to lay down, you can go in front.
right
Yeah, it's like a
two-room apartment,
two-room apartment.
and everything in 6 meters.
Yeah.
It's everything DIY project, right?
Yeah. It's on belts.
Yeah.
Just hold on the belts
belt.
here.
It's like seat belts from the car.
Yes, and it lays down on here and on the kitchen.
Yeah.
Then it's
And some kind of winch you bought, just normal winch, or it's the system is actually kit you can buy to build.
this is I think for sunshades.
Okay. Yeah.
The engines.
Awning.
Yeah.
Yeah, that comes out and in as well electrically.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. And it's a double bed, 140 by 2.
Yes.
Nice. Yeah.
So now it's very solid.
Yeah. I mean proper mattress and.
Yeah.
And this is it sits on the kitchen
Yeah.
and on that edge.
And
Cool.
the base is aluminum frame, and then
Okay.
also
Extruded
this-
aluminium. Yeah. Cool. And you came up with the idea by yourself. I saw you use this one is for the roller here
yes.
to not to swing back and forward, so
Yeah.
it stays in the place.
On the beginning we had just a bed on the front.
Yeah.
We slept there, and here was just a living area, and yeah. Later we put a bed inside.
Okay. but you have officially have only 2 seats, no?
Yes, we only can drive with
Yeah.
2 persons.
For the heating, you have a autotherm diesel heater.
Yes.
Cool. So you're completely like off the grid. And water?
Water is underneath the seating area. It's 220 liters,
Okay.
fresh water.
Yeah, it's enough
Yeah.
for a week. No?
Yeah, it's enough. Yeah. Depends on how often you shower.
Yeah, right. And how long? It's very quiet, the system. When
Yeah.
it goes up and down. And the kitchen for cooking, you have a cooktop.
At the moment we just use a gas stove.
Yeah,
Just
portable with a
Yeah,
cartridge.
just the
Yeah.
small camper
Yeah,
stoves. In the future we want to put in electric.
induction stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Because we put in the new batteries just last year.
yeah,
Before we had hand enough
power.
power,
Mm.
so now we can move on. Still not finished the project.
Okay.
Here's the TV.
Yeah, so you can watch it while sitting and you can watch it while in bed.
Yes.
And you found it just online, the truck itself.
Yes.
Was it expensive?
It was okay. It was before Corona,
Yeah,
and after Corona the prices went up
yeah,
like crazy because of they can't build new trucks.
Oh yeah, right.
There was a lot of missing parts,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
the used trucks went up like crazy.
Yeah.
So I think now they're on a normal price level again. So we can also open this completely, or we
Right.
can just put down the balcony.
But that's very light, right? Because it's from extruded aluminium.
Yeah, and it's got the dampers here.
Yeah, and then you close this one.
Genau. Slides in.
Okay.
And then you can.
Oh, it's a side.
This
Yeah.
is the safety. 1.2 meters.
1.2. Okay.
Extra.
Yeah. Space.
Yeah.
And you have some awning as well? This is
Yeah.
a
Sunshade.
sunshade.
Here you also see the water system.
Yeah.
The water pump.
Water tanks, water pump.
Extra storage. And here we can open up the
These
boxes.
boxes,
Yeah.
yeah.
If it's.
Closed. Yeah. How long did it take you to build it?
We built it like 1.5 year until we drove it.
Yeah.
Until we had the camper registration.
Yeah.
And
And
then-
now it's still process.
Yeah, processing it. Yes. So, and then you can sit here if you got a nice spot.
Yeah.
You got a great view.
And you're higher than all vans, so you still see
Yeah.
over any van that
Yeah.
stands. That's nice. Is it shaky a lot when it's windy?
No, not really.
When you sleep, because you lower it down, right? And
Yeah,
then
we
it
got
sits.
complete air suspension.
Yeah.
So now it's not on level here, so
Yeah.
we can level it out with air suspension.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's also really nice.
Yeah. And do you know the budget? How much it cost you to build?
I think about 50k.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's very nice price, I would say. Like,
Yeah.
I mean, it's a lot of labor hours, 1.5
Yeah.
years.
Yeah, yeah. Here's the AC.
Oh, you have AC unit. That's
Yeah.
luxury. And it now you think would run from your batteries, or you need to plug in?
This is 24 volts. We don't need a.
Oh, it's
the
24 volts.
Yes,
Oh,
yes.
okay. So it
The
goes
also
directly
was
from
really
batteries.
cheap. This is a Chinese thing,
Yeah.
and this was like 300 bucks.
Oh, really?
Yeah, yeah.
Wow.
But on normal camper you cannot mount it because on the out box is
Big.
very big.
And then inside you never close it. It's always open.
We just got a foam here. I can show you.
Okay. Yeah. So it's.
For insulation and for when you're driving, it's very loud with open.
That's what I wanted to ask,
Yeah, yeah.
because like it's very noisy, right?
Yeah.
Because the truck itself, it's quiet when, I mean, as quiet as truck can be.
Yeah.
when you drive. And you have a Instagram account and something else, or just Instagram where you post? your stuff?
Instagram and TikTok.
TikTok have as
Yeah.
well. Yeah. Okay.
It's called Tiny Truck Camper.
Right. Okay. Yeah. So cool. You can check out. They have a lot of videos on Instagram and TikTok. And see you the next one. Cheers.
Bye.